what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form for event registration. So first, you may want to head over to Google Forms website at forms.google.com, and of course, make sure that you're logged into your Google account. So right off the bat from this page, you should be able to see variety of templates that you can choose, and also you can use, including the event registration template. To make everything easier for you, you can just simply use this ready-made template. All you have to do is click on this and start filling out details and fields about your form. Start by giving your event registration form a title, and of course the detail about the event, and start with the fields that you would like your audience or attendees to fill out. It could be their name, their email, organization, days to attend, dietary restrictions, payments. And to add a field, just click on the Add Question button and fill in the details about this field. You can start by adding a question and answer options. You can also change what type of answers will be on this field. And once everything is done in your form, you can simply just publish it by clicking on the Publish button. You can also change who can respond to your form, if it's anyone with a link or just for specific contacts. Then proceed by publishing your form. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!